So grade 5, 4.1, I want to talk about writing expressions. So what is an expression? So expression is a mathematical phrase that combines numbers, operation signs, and sometimes variables, but does not have an equal sign. So expressions is a mathematical phrase that combines numbers, operation signs, and sometimes variables, but does not have an equal sign. So an expression is a mathematical phrase that combines numbers, operation signs, and sometimes variable, but does not have an equal sign. Does not have an equal sign. Okay, so what is numerical expression? A numerical expression has only numbers and operation signs. So a numerical expression has only numbers and operation signs. So here the operation signs are positive, negative, multiplication, and division. So a numerical expression has only numbers and operation signs. So for the problem, so Taylor's camp group caught 15-cent bass and 12 strippers. So now write a numerical expression to represent how many fish the group caught in all. So now I have 15 sand bass and 12 strippers. So the numerical expression will be 15 plus 12. So remember, these two are both fish. So fish and fish added up total. How many fish? Okay, so now example 1, I have an example of addition. So let's try to write numerical expressions. So now Emma has 11 fish and she bought 4 more fish, so plus 4. So then now Alexi has 128 stamps. Now she used 38 stamps. So example 3, let's try to take a look at an example of multiplication. So now Kayla bought 5 books. Each book cost $3. And in example 4, 4 players share 52 cards equally. So previously, let's talk about, that's what we talk about numerical expressions. And now I want to talk about algebraic expressions. So what is a variable? This concept is very important because this leads to the higher level math. So a variable is a letter or symbol that stands for one or more numbers. So variable is a letter or symbol that stands for one or more numbers. So an algebraic expression contains at least one variable. So an algebraic expression contains at least one variable. So now in this case, at Pathfulness, a blue peacock fish costs $7, and then Brian buys some blue peacocks. So what expression can we write to represent the cost? So now let the number Brian bought BX. So the total cost is 7x. Okay, so what are models and expressions? So if we use pattern block to model the situation, okay, so later I will show you how we use pattern block to explain the situation in class. But now, if we want to represent this situation, then as 3 months, Glenn's dog Cody weighted 6 more pounds than he did at birth. So this is birth, and then after 1 month, after 2 months, after 3 months. So at birth weight, let's just say it's X. So after 3 months, the dog weight X plus 6. Okay, so if we want to use pattern block to represent the situation, this is the variable, and then okay, I got to change it into yellow. This is really bright. This is still really bright. And then 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on top of the, now I accidentally selected green. So on top of the yellow hexagon, now I also have 6 orange blocks. Okay, in example B, a home builder built 5 times as many homes this year as last year. So let's let the home he built last year, the number of homes he built last year has X. Okay, so a home builder built 5 times as home. So it's 5 times as home as last year. So using representation, I would have 5 Hasika. Okay.